Ever feel like your money's slipping through your fingers? Like you can't quite grasp where it all goes? You're not alone. Millions of people struggle to manage their finances effectively. But what if there was a free, user-friendly tool that could revolutionize the way you see your money? Enter Mint, the personal finance app by Intuit. Today, we're diving deep into how to set up Mint and unlock its full potential. Whether you're a budgeting pro or just starting out, Mint can be a game changer. So, grab your phone, a cup of coffee, or your favorite beverage, and let's get financially empowered together. Why use Mint? Imagine having a crystal ball that shows you exactly where your hard-earned cash goes. That's essentially what Mint does. It connects to all your financial accounts, bank accounts, credit cards, investment accounts, giving you a comprehensive overview of your financial situation. Here are just a few reasons why Mint is a must-have. Effortless budgeting. Mint automatically categorizes your transactions so you can see exactly how much you're spending on groceries, entertainment, or that new gym membership. This helps you create realistic budgets and stick to them. Bill pay reminders. Never miss a due date again. Mint sends you timely notifications for upcoming bills, ensuring you avoid late fees and potential credit score damage. Financial goal setting. Dream vacation? New car? Mint helps you set achievable financial goals and tracks your progress. It's like having a personal cheerleader for your financial dreams. Improved financial awareness. With all your financial information in one place, you gain valuable insights into your spending habits. This empowers you to make smarter financial decisions and build a secure future. Setting up your Mint account. Now that you're pumped about Mint, let's get it set up. You can use Mint either through their website, https://mint.intuit.com, or by downloading the app on your phone. Both are free and user-friendly. Step 1. Sign up and create your account. Open the Mint website or app and click on Sign Up. You'll be prompted to create a username, password, and enter your email address. Remember to choose a strong password for optimal security. Step 2. Connect your financial accounts. This is where the magic happens. Mint connects to thousands of financial institutions, making it easy to add your accounts. Simply search for your bank's name, enter your login credentials. Don't worry, Mint uses secure encryption, and voila! Your accounts are synced. Step 3. Secure your account. Mint takes security seriously, and so should you. Enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of protection. This usually involves receiving a verification code on your phone whenever you log in from a new device. Step 4. Setting up your budget. Mint provides a helpful starting point for your budget based on your past spending habits. You can customize this further by setting spending limits for different categories. Be realistic with your numbers and remember, budgeting is a journey, not a destination. Step 5. Explore Mint's features. Now that you're set up, explore Mint's features. See your credit score, track your investments, if you have any, and set up bill pay reminders. Mint offers a wealth of tools to help you manage your finances comprehensively. Tips and tricks for using Mint effectively. Categorize transactions. While Mint does a good job of automatically categorizing expenses, sometimes you might need to adjust them. This ensures your budget reflects your actual spending habits. Review regularly, don't just set it and forget it. Check your Mint account regularly to ensure everything is synced and your budget is on track. Connect all accounts. The more accounts you connect, the better overview you'll have of your finances. Don't forget those investment accounts or that old credit card you haven't used in a while. Set goals and track progress. Having clear financial goals is essential. Use Mint's goal-setting feature and track your progress to stay motivated. Mint, your financial partner. Mint is more than just a budgeting app, it's your financial partner. It empowers you to take control of your finances, make informed decisions, and achieve your financial goals. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for Mint today and unlock the power of financial clarity. Thanks for watching. Remember, financial well-being is a journey, not a destination. Use Mint as a tool to empower yourself and build a brighter financial future. Until next time, thanks for watching.